Hello all, welcome to RECCAP 2026, the international conference on recent advances in electronics, communication, computing, automation and power, hosted by IIT Palakkad in collaboration with our industry as well as academic partners. This conference is organized by the IEEE Malabar section with the active support of my faculty colleagues from electrical engineering, computer science, data science and mechanical engineering, along with our collaborators and technical partners, bringing together researchers, academicians and industry experts from across the globe. RECCAP 2026 provides a vibrant platform to share ideas, present innovations and explore emerging trends in areas such as AI, smart systems, sustainable energy and advanced communication technologies. We warmly invite everyone to join us, engage with experts and be a part of meaningful discussions that address real-world challenges through technology. We look forward to welcoming you to IIT Palakkad.